And we are back. It's Friday. What are we, week out?
Yeah.
Yeah. What a bulldog poop weekend. Or week. Been some crazy stuff happening this week, but it all worked out for the better. Alright, so at this point, Joe loves his steam engines, so we built Joe a
Coal car.
coal car tether. It's called a tether.
Tinder? Tender? Something like that.
No, a tender. Not a tether. But we built Joe a tender to put all his steam engines on. That was pretty cool. Hey, get a shot of the organizer. Basically what I want to start showing you guys at this point, organization. You really got to organize. I don't know if I'd show them that shelf. That shelf isn't very organized. But, yeah, those are some cool steam engines. We're going to put a different layout on it. Thank God it wasn't the mining scene. Do we need to give you a second to get things in place?
No, I'm good.
You good? Okay. Alright. As you can see, if Joe's getting a shot on this. You got a shot on that? Ha! I told you we was going sick, dog. There it is. We are getting the track laid over here. We did this last night.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Last night we did this. The wife donated some of her old necklaces for some chain. So we're going to get the piles of timber coming down. Also, we have the got the joint compound. We're going to be joint compounding that in. I also told you that we're going to show you how to hide the switches. Oh, we're not allowed to show that? Yeah. But mining scene, we did a little bit on that. Started incorporating some of the goodies from Railfest, so that ain't too bad. We got to cut a little bit of the foam over here to fit the houses in. Then we'll really be able to joint compound. Basically, this is just a introduction, getting back into things. I told you he don't fit. But looking at the foam, got some really good boulder material that came out on this. Got some cool ideas. Gonna have a cop car. But well, let me take a look at this scene back here. Yeah. Okay. But I didn't do that on camera, did I? No. Sheets coffee. But so, like I said, we're just getting back into things, getting our feet wet again. Got our bears on the mountain, got our deers on the mountain. Joe will probably get a good shot of that next time. What else do we need to go over, Joe? This is so cool. They're coming to take me away. Hurrah, hooray. See that little stint there with the cop car? That was pretty cool. We're going to incorporate them on the backside of the mountain. Wire them up. So when the cars come through, we can turn on his lights. So we got that going. Train track's working. We checked that out. Needs a good scrub down. So that won't be too bad. I guess we're going to get into joint compound.
Probably on the second video.
You know, in the 70s, that had a whole different meaning.
So did cornhole.
Oh, jeez. But, right.
You might want to wait till the second video.
To the second video?
Yeah, because you're already at 6 minutes.
I'm already at 6 minutes.
At least.
At least, huh? Are we still live?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Live! From Freedom, Ohio. Alright. That's going to be the next one. We're at 6 minutes. What else am I going to talk about? Joe's going to get up another train going here pretty soon, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. He'll show off his steam engines.
Yes.
Yes. But, I can't even say that word, can I? Oh, man.
Bunch of crapola.
Crapola, I can say crapola?
Yeah.
What a bunch of crapola. Alright, we got the joint compound. I think I'm going to have to go in the other room and get a stiffy to do the joint compound. What do you think?
Sure. Saying it's a stiffy stimulation?
A stiffy stimulation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But plus we gotta take down the scene so we can put the stiffy all over it with the joint compound. Alright, like I said, we're getting back into things. Oh, I want to give a shout out. We were at Railfest 2018, and somebody came up to me and said, "Hey, aren't you Jerry R&R?" And I was like, "Holy crap, Bola." Whew, that was close. But I said, yeah, I am. And he shook my hand and he goes, "Hey, I'm Chuck Limbert." And I said, "Oh yeah?" I said, "We went to school together with each other." And he's like, "Yeah." And Chuck's big time into the train. It's got a beautiful layout. One of these days we'll take a road trip over to Chuck's place and check out his layout. But it was really cool that Chuck came up to us. Appreciate it, Chuck. Thanks for watching. Any other shout outs out there? Oh, my daughter, Heather. Heather, my daughter. My number one daughter. She watches. And her and Shani watches. And Taylor Page watches. And David watches. We're going to get David over here in one of the next videos coming up. He's our slot car guy. So he's going to take us through all the mechanics and everything. We already know that. But David enjoys it. That's what it's all about. Other than that,
There was a lot of kids at Railfest.
yes, there was a lot of kids. That was good to see. Real good to see. More kids, the better. You know what? You ain't going to get this on no daggone video game. Ain't that right, Joe?
I mean, technically, they watch you on tablets and phones.
Well, that's fine, but you can't change tires on a video unless I do it. Much better than any video game. Not that I'm slamming video games. Oh, God forbid. No. But at least you're not sitting in the couch getting fat. Turning into a snowflake. But, alright, that's enough of that. But, appreciate everybody that's watching. All I got to say now is, haha, Heather. And we'll see what her response is. Love you, kiddo. Other than that, thanks for watching, everybody. And we'll get another video up here short. The weekend's here. Bulldog weekend's gone. See ya.